Okay, first of all, let me open the Garna app. I received an amount from one of my client and I need to withdraw this amount to my bank account, but I would like to show you something. Okay, first of all, let the application open, and I would like to tell you that you should also follow this trick or else you'll be in a big loss. Okay, you see I have got $30 in my account and I have to withdraw this. Okay, so if I come here and I click on withdraw, so I have got few options available to withdraw this amount. The first option is bank transfer. If I click here and transfer it to any USD account, then the limit is $10 only, and but there is no fees, that is okay. But if I withdraw the amount to my local bank account, like I'm from India, and if I want to withdraw the amount, like I have got $30 now, and if I want to withdraw the amount, the limit is from $15 minimum and the fee charge will be 14.90. So half of the amount that I am having will be deducted by Garna. So this is not the best option, I suppose, right? What I will do, I'll just go back. Next, if you see transfer to a card, here also same thing, there is a charge and I don't have any USD or Euro card. So this option is also not available for me. Next, cryptocurrency, I don't want to do that. So the last option I am left with is Payoneer. Limit is 20, and PayPal, there is no fees. Payoneer has got a fees of 0.90%, but PayPal has no fees and the limit is 35. So the best option I will be going with is PayPal. I'll just click here, and as you can check here, the average time is 3 hours, but the minimum amount that can be transferred is $35 and maximum you can check here. And most important, there is no fees. So if I transfer the amount from my Garna account to my PayPal account, then there is no fees. So this is very good, but I don't want to use this because I want an automatic payment method. So what I can do, I'll just, okay, first of all, let me withdraw this amount. I will click on continue. Once I click on continue, okay, choose another method because the minimum amount is $35. It is not allowing me to transfer $30 that I have in my account. So I have to wait until I reach the threshold of $35. But the option that I have shown you, you can just come here, or what I can do, I'll just come back. And once again, and I will go with auto withdrawal. Whenever the threshold is complete, the amount will be auto credited to my PayPal account. So what I will do, I will just put all the details here. Create a template with the details you need. Okay, I will create here, and then electronic wallets, and then PayPal USD, and then continue. Okay,